that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana.
Hey sis, so I am back with another video. See how disrespectful Siri is? She don't listen to nothing I say, but when I say sis, that's when she wants to, whatever. Anyway, I am back with another haul. A small little teensy, weensy haul. So, as y'all can see, this is all my stuff. So, I bought a few things from Prettylittlething. I am a big Prettylittlething fan. I shop with them all the time. I think they match my aesthetic of who I am. I want to start shopping at other places so I can kind of get like, so I can try new things. So I'm gonna be trying new places soon. I have a nasty gal haul coming. I'm gonna stop yapping and getting off topic, but so I bought a few things from Prettylittlething. I bought a few things from Asos, as y'all can see here. I love Asos. Personally, I shop at Asos for shoes. I have big feet, so they go up to a size 14. So I don't wear 14. I wear 11 and 12, but they go up to a size 14 if anyone needs you know, shoes. I am doing a shoe haul soon as well as a gym haul because, you know, us big-footed sisters, we gotta stick together. Oh, and while I'm over here, look, that's how you know I got my nails done, y'all, because I'm doing the most with my nails. I'm gonna do a little close-up so y'all can see. Isn't she pretty? Okay, so this is what they look like. Look at this alien! And this is the other one. And you guys can see this cool little comme de garçon nail too. But yeah, you guys, that is my nails. I will link my nail artist in the bio, just in case anybody ever goes to Florida, South Florida, and you want to get your nails done. She is thebomb.com. But I probably will never go this long again because it's just too long. I never go this long. This is just too long. But yeah, so before we start the haul, you guys, I'm going to show you the shoes that I got. So I got these cute boots from Asos. I actually like these boots. They're actually very much so comfortable. When I put them on my feet though, since my feet is so big, I don't know, it's kind of giving me village vibes, like back in the day village vibes, probably in 1920s or 1800s or shit, the 1500s, you know, something like that. But they're still cute. I also got these sneakers as well. They're going back because they don't fit me, but these are some Adidas Stan Smith sneakers. Look at this design. Isn't this design dope? It's so cool. Pink lace. I actually love these Adidas, to be honest. They're actually super duper cool. Next shoe I have is these Mules. These new padded Mules. Now, this design is actually, a lot of companies have been copying this design. I'm pretty sure it's a Bottega. How do you say this designer? How do you say this designer's name? Bottega? B-O-T-T-E-G-A. Bottega? Y'all help me out. But I love this cool design, and this is a size, what size is this? This is a size 12 wide, and I love this little shoe. This little mule is adorable. It's not too high so I can walk in it and stand in it all day, and it has this cute design. It's so cute, and it's not tight in this area, so I like that. Those are all the shoes I got from Asos, so I'm gonna stop talking, you guys. We're gonna get into this haul and let's go. Okay guys, so the first outfit is this jumpsuit. I adore this jumpsuit. It's like, I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see the detail. The detail on this jumpsuit, like the material is really good, thick material. It's not white, it's actually cream. I got this jumpsuit in a size 18, and it is a little bit tight, but it's tight in the breast area, of course. I also do have the wrong bra on. So I have a padded bra on right now, so But this jumpsuit, I adore this jumpsuit. You guys can see it. It's so pretty. You guys are full length. Okay, so the next outfit is this dress. It has a cutout in the middle. I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see. So it has a little cutout here. I personally would have loved this dress if what is this? If it was like regular sleeves or long sleeves, it'll be cute, but these grandma sleeves are a no. It has this cute little ruching detail here. I'm gonna move up so you guys can see the pattern. This is what the pattern is looking like. This dress is also in a size 18. It is very, very, very much so stretchy. I just don't personally find this dress flattering for me. So next outfit is this brown shirt top as well as these pants. I love these pants. It makes you feel like so grown up-ish, like going to the office. These pants have stretch in the thigh area, but no stretch in this band. So get what size you normally would get for jeans. This personally is a size 18. The shirt is a size extra large, I believe. I'm gonna get up closer so you guys can kind of see the pattern. Isn't this brown just so pretty? Such a beautiful brown. And then the pants. This is what the pants look like. I personally love the pants. Like, the pants come with a blazer, and I kind of wish I would have wore it together, but I love everything apart that I'm happy I didn't get it together. This is what the pants are looking like. I think they are so cute. It comes with a little buckle, but the buckle comes on the side. It's so weird, but I like these pants a lot. They're very comfortable. Like, this part of these pants are so stretchy. Here though, just be mindful of your size, because when you're full, you're about to bust right through the seams, as you guys can see. Okay, so the next outfit is a dress. This dress has a little bit of ruching. It does have a hole here as design. So it's gonna show your rolls on the side. I'm gonna get up closer so you guys can kind of see the cute design. This like, the design is so pretty, you guys. Look at that design. Look at it. Oh, so pretty. And I hate the color green, but I love this dress. I don't really like showing my arms, so if you don't like showing your arms like me, then, you know, it's where the confidence takes place. But yeah, this is the dress. It goes past your knee. It is a really pretty dress. I love it. So next up is this sweater that I got from Asos, and these pants are from Prettylittlething. So I want to get up closer so you guys can see the sweater. I personally love this sweater. It is so pretty. Oh, look at this. It just makes me feel like a kid. I love this sweater. These pants. So I also got these pants from Prettylittlething. These pants are, I got in a size 18. They're really cute. They're straight leg, not skinny. But I love these cute little pants. Cute little dress up pants. Okay, so what we have next is this cute top. Now, if you are top heavy, I would say when I wore this without a bra, it still is holding the girls up a little bit. Just a little bit. And then it has these cute little sleeves that you can kind of move up and down however you please. I don't think it looks good like this. Yeah, so I like them on the side. I think it's cuter. But this is the top, you guys. Okay, so the next outfit is this top and these pants. So this is a bralette slash knit material. I wore this completely different. I did not wear it like this, you guys. Just wanted to show you what it looks like, but it looks like this. I wore it way more tasteful. If you want to see how I wore it, check out my Instagram. My handle is in the description box. And I also got these jeans. These jeans are like extremely big. I don't know why I purchased it this big. A whole person could fit in there with me. Like, they're cute jeans. It's just that they're just too big. So this is completely a dud. Next. Next thing I purchased was this green button up. I intended to wear this differently with the jean pants, but because the jean pants are too short, or not too short, because the jean pants are too big, I improvised and did this a different way, which, like I said, all pictures would be on my Instagram. We get lit over there, y'all go check me out. This is the shirt. It's really big. Yeah, I hate green, but I don't know. This haul, I bought a lot of green. I love this. I rocked it a different way, but baby, this is adorable. Next outfit is this really chilled knit, kind of like, I feel like it's more of like a Kim Kardashian copy a little bit, but it's like a knit matching top and bottom to kind of lay around the house. The pants are like overly huge and they're very comfortable, so soft. But this top, like I'm busting through it. Like, this is supposed to be an extra, extra large. This top is not extra, extra large. The bottom is, but the top isn't. But personally, I love this. I wish the top fit because I love this. Like, I would chill at my friend's house or at my house with something like this. It's so simple and cute. So that is it for my haul, you guys. I've been deciding to do talk through hauls because I think I've been deciding to do talk through hauls because I feel like it's, you know, it's easier, and I feel like I can really just kind of get my honest take with the outfits on me right now. But that is it for this mini haul. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. I appreciate you guys.